Hi, to activate Google Assistant on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, firstly just find your settings and from here scroll down to see this Google tab. Now after that, from the recommended you need to switch to all services and also scroll down to find this section Search Assistant and Voice. After you found it, you should see your Google Assistant. So just tap it, and now as a first step we need to activate it, so choose this first section and here you can choose this button Get Started. So now we need to scroll down and agree with some permissions, and now we can activate voice match for Hey Google. So just tap I agree, and now it is ready. So now Hey Google is activated. Also, you can retrain voice match model to train your assistant to recognize your voice again. For that, tap here and say out loud everything you see on the screen. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now Hey Google is ready, so you can tap next. And also you can activate this chat with Gemini. This is new AI, so you can tap continue and also enable to use Gemini here, just if you want to. Now let's go back and again, and after that we can also customize Hey Google. So for that you need to go in languages. Here you can choose languages for speaking to digital assistants from Google. Also you can enable to use Google Assistant without unlocking your phone, which could be really helpful. So tap yes I mean and make sure that switcher is blue. Also you can customize any tab from the list. For example, you can choose assistant voice and speech output. We got male voice and female voice, so you can choose between them. And the next thing we can do is to try this out. So for example, let's ask Google to set an alarm today at 8 p.m. Hey Google, set an alarm today at 8 p.m. And now alarm is set. So let's check this. I'm gonna find my clock app. Here allow some permissions and check my alarm. And yep, it appears right in the alarm settings, so it is activated. We got the right time and we got it today. So everything is working just fine. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.